This block of flats is in Kempton Park, Kempton Central. I love how many DSTV banners there are, or how many. Classic. Right off the bat, I can tell that this is a very amateur real estate agent. They've obviously taken photos with their phone. The difference of having your phone photo like this that's low quality versus just hiring someone that might charge you 2,000 Rand to come and take professional photos. It just doesn't make sense to me that an agent wouldn't invest a little bit in this, because this is the whole, this is where you're going to make your sale. But anyway, block of flats, calling all buyers between 3.3 and 3.4, not much negotiation room there. Fantastic opportunity. It is a block of flats with 9 units and 11 undercover parkings. I'm just going to assume that it is 2 bedrooms. Not much information is given here, not many pictures. This is a very amateur proposal from the agent, unfortunately. But I don't mind that, because if I know that the agent is potentially new and unexperienced, that gives me a little bit more of an edge in terms of negotiation that I can do. So he's asking 3.4 for 9 units. So let me just whip open my calculator here. 3.4 divided by 9. He's trying to sell these units, which don't seem to be in the best of conditions, for 375. That's like a premium price on those areas. If those units are in fantastic condition, then maybe 370 is a fair price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in at 280 per unit. Times that by the 9 that he's got, and that's my offer. 2.5 would be my max. So we can assume that the rental, actually let's just open up Pocket Let here, because I don't know the Kempton Park Central area so well. Kempton Park Central, we're going to look for 2-bed 1 bath and get the average rent that one can achieve in that area. And let's see. That'll obviously then impact our rental number here in the app. While I wait for that to load, I can quickly do my transfer calculator. Calculate gives me 130. I'm going to put 150 just to be conservative. Renovations, I'm going to say general touch-ups, but I'm going to go quite a lot higher than I normally would. It's 9 units, and I'm going to go 30,000 per unit because it looks like they're in pretty bad condition. So 270 will be my provisional renovation cost. Let's see. So Pocket Let's telling me about 5,000 is the average rent. Okay, so I'm going to put there 5,000 times 9 is 45, is it? Yeah. Okay, finance, cash flow. Let's see if there are any rates and taxes. So he hasn't put the rates and taxes here either. Thomas, this is not looking good on you, man. Very little information, but I'd assume the rates and taxes for such a big building are going to be about 2.5. Your insurance about 850. Voids, maintenance, management. And then depending if that 5 grand is inclusive or exclusive of utilities, I would probably say it's inclusive. So I'm going to put here 4,000 for water recoveries. So not actually a bad deal, it looks like. 10.8% on a cash purchase. And that's at a 26% discount. So I might start my negotiation about 2.3 million, but that looks quite promising. That's not a bad deal. Thanks for watching another video. I hope that you enjoyed this live deal analysis and learned something new. Please don't forget to subscribe and also join my membership program where you get exclusive and additional perks. Some of these perks include a priority response to your comments. You also get to suggest topics and I'll create videos on them. You can also send me deals that I will analyze on your behalf and so much more. Click here for more information. Until next time, happy investing.